Did you know a construction worker risked everything to save hundreds of children and became a hero? Frank Martinez had worked construction for 20 years, supporting his wife, kids, and elderly parents. He was just 2 years from retirement when he discovered something horrifying. His company was using cheap substandard materials in a children's hospital renovation to boost profits. The foundation was weak, the electrical work was dangerous. One earthquake could bring it all down. When Frank confronted the executives, they threatened to destroy his career and steal his pension. But he couldn't sleep knowing kids would be in danger. So he stopped construction and called state safety inspectors, knowing he'd face lawsuits and blacklisting. The inspection revealed catastrophic violations that could have killed hundreds. The executives were arrested and charged with criminal negligence. Frank was hired as the state's chief safety officer with full benefits. 3 years later, a major earthquake hit. The properly rebuilt hospital stood strong. His courage saved countless lives.